Okay, you don't know this, but I'm having some technical difficulties. This is about the 5th time I've shot this. This is the What to Do for Monday. It's the beginning of a new quarter for Studio Habits, so hopefully it's the beginning of the period. You're seated at your table seat, and you're just doing what you're supposed to be doing. For the purposes of the early instructions for class today, 1718 class notebook for everybody. That's going to open up to your notebook. You're going to click on your name, and under your name there should be a new section. And so when the sections show up, the new section is called Workboxes for 1718. So you want to click on that if it doesn't open up right away, and you should see Quarter 2 Workboxes for 1718, and that's what you're going to be dealing with today. Again, follow these instructions because it's a little bit messed up. But here is the stuff in red is the things we did last week. Don't mess with it today, but if you didn't get it done, you would want to do that. If you did do it last week, then you could just copy and paste your answers out of the old communication in there later. But not right now. What you should be doing right now is clicking Crash Comic. And Crash Comic is supposed to open up to a certain page. But what's going to actually open up is something with this little thumbnail. If you click that thumbnail, the comic is going to come up. So here's the comic that you're going to deal with. And all I want you doing for about the first 4 or 5 minutes is this where you're just trying to figure out, what is this? What's the main idea? What's the point? Just that big picture, what is this about? So that's what you're doing for the first 4 or 5 minutes, then we'll talk about it, and we'll work through the other parts. If you get done, I would like you for this point to skip 2 and 3, but you could look at 4. If you want to find some outside resources to put in there, just go to a new tab and see what you can find that would go with that comic. That would be fantastic. That'd be the kind of way to get like a 10 out of 9 to get extra credit, is to spend the time doing that. And so beyond that, you can just wait for further instructions. The rest of the period, we'll just kind of work through together.